Okay, Swati. So I'm coming back to that point. That one, this is Comedy of Errors, is one of the first plays by William Shakespeare. First, in the sense that William Shakespeare's several plays are claimed by several critics to be the first one. Okay, so next point is that the genre of this play is comedy of confusion or slapstick comedy, and comedy of errors in itself is a type of comedy by William Shakespeare. This is comedy of confusion. Okay, you note it down. Comedy of confusion. Confusion or slapstick comedy. Slapstick comedy. Slapstick comedy is the comedy created with slap and stick. आपने चार्ली चैपलिन की कॉमेडी देखी हो? That is type of slapstick comedy. Means the comedy where some character is beaten with slap and stick, etc. This is type of comedy that is known as slapstick comedy. Okay, so the story deals with a confusion between two twins. Deals with a confusion to sorry couple of twins. ओके, दो जोड़ा ट्विंस हैं जो कि आपस में एक एक बिछड़ जाते हैं, ठीक है, और दोनों सपोज दैट ऐसे समझो, दिस इज वन ट्विन एंड दिस इज अनदर ट्विन, और ये बिछड़ करके क्या होते हैं कि एक इधर आ जाता है और इनमें से एक इधर आ जाता है, और ये इस तरह का जोड़ा बन जाता है, दैट इज ओके। एंड एक पॉइंट ऐसा आता है कि ये यूनाइट एट वन प्लेस, एंड दिस यूनिटी क्रिएट्स कंफ्यूजन एंड कॉमेडी। एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट फार्सिकल कॉमेडीज, या फिर ऐसे लिख लें, दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट farcical comedies by Shakespeare. Okay, and next point is that you must know here is a fine use of pun and wordplay. Okay, do you mean by pun and word play. आपको pun और word play का मतलब पता है? Pun is the figure of speech where a single word, a single statement gives different meaning to or more. And word play is also a play with words, play with meanings of the words. Means where the speaker speaks a word and different speaker takes different meanings, and speaker himself speak those words with different. जब एक ही वर्ड के कई मीनिंग ले लिए जाए वहां पर, दैट इज वर्ड प्ले। और इसका बहुत अच्छा यूज विलियम शेक्सपियर ने यहाँ पर किया है। आप इसका एक बढ़िया एग्जांपल कपिल शर्मा की कॉमेडी शो में देख सकते हैं। फाइन एग्जांपल ऑफ वर्ड प्ले, कपिल यूज इट। And the first publication of this play was in First Folio. And here is a fine comment by Harold Bloom. Harold Bloom has comments that Harold Bloom's comment is, it reveals Shakespeare's magnificence at I'm writing this. It reveals Shakespeare's magnificence, magnificence, magnificence at the art of comedy. This is a comment by Harold Bloom. Okay. So any problem now? Okay, Kalyani, I am repeating. It reveals Shakespeare's magnificence, magnificence, magnificence. I'm repeating again. magnificence, magnificence at the art of comedy.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Kalyani.
Sir, not everything. Actually, I want only new words.
New words mean reveals?
Like slapstick and maybe another. Yes.
Slap, S-T-I-C, stick, slapstick. This is made from two words, slap and stick.
Yes, sir.
Okay? It's okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So, I think this much is enough for this play because we have to finish William Shakespeare today only. And we are moving now to next play. That is Titus Andronicus. Titus Andronicus. First thing is that it is thought to be written in collaboration with George Peele. Thought to be written in collaboration with George Peele. And here is the first use of honor killing or horror killing. First use of horror or honor. Actually जो word आपने honor killing सुना है is the changed form of horror killing. Horror killing or honor killing is actually the form of murder which were committed or done due to pride sake, due to honor sake. And here is the first introduction of this type of murder. Here, Titus kills his own daughter because she has been raped. Okay, so
Excuse me, sir. Make
yeah,
me clear. Actually, yes, sir. Please again make me clear.
horror killing or honor killing is the type of murder. Okay, is a
Yes, sir.
type of murder which is done for sake of honor, self-respect. That is
Yes.
type of false self-respect. Uh, and here is that Titus kills his own daughter, murders his own daughter because she has been raped. Okay, it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
ओके एक इंफॉर्मेशन है आप लोगों के लिए कि दैट ये सेशन एंड होगा, आप उसी लिंक से अगेन ज्वाइन कर लेंगे, ठीक है। जो लिंक हमने अभी भेजी है सेम लिंक आप क्लिक करके अगेन ज्वाइन कर लेंगे। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ टाइटस। आप लिखते चलें, दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ टाइटस a general in Roman army. General in Roman army. And Temora. Sorry, you are a Tamora, queen of gods. This is only S, not ES. Queen of gods means this is the story of conflict between Titus, who was a general of Roman army, and Tamora, who was the queen of God. Okay, and it is the Shakespeare's bloodiest tragedy. Shakespeare's bloodiest tragedy. इसीलिए इसको कुछ क्रिटिक्स रिजेक्ट करते हैं, कहते हैं शेक्सपियर ऐसी ट्रेजेडी लिख ही नहीं सकता, दिस मस्ट बी रिटन बाय किड, क्योंकि ऐसी ट्रेजेडी किड लिखता है। जितना ब्लड सेड यहाँ पर है उतना शेक्सपियर के किसी भी प्ले में ब्लड सेड नहीं है। क्लियर? ब्लडिएस्ट ट्रेजेडी। ओके, and this fictional story of Titus, this fictional story of Titus is found in Philip Hollinson's, sorry, Philip Henslow's diary in 1594. Diary. फिलिप हेंस्लो की डायरी से इसकी स्टोरी मिलती है और कंप्लीट टाइटल जो है, कंप्लीट टाइटल इज टाइटस एंड्रोनिकस और द रेप ऑफ लेविनिया. Rape of Lavinia. Okay, Lavinia is Titus's daughter, and she was raped and lastly killed by Titus. Okay, in brief, I am telling you this story. Actually, Temora is queen of Goths. Titus, the Roman general, attacked on Goth and he killed the Goths king and take over Goth, and he married Queen Temora. And in between, here's several plots of revenge. In that plot of revenge, Temora's sons raped Lavinia, the daughter of Titus. And when Titus came to know, Titus killed his own daughter, and along with he killed the son of Temora and get them cooked, get their flesh cooked and served before Temora to eat them. और लास्ट में सबके सब मारे जाते हैं एंड द प्ले ends. तो ये ब्रीफ, बहुत ब्रीफ में मैंने आपको स्टोरी कह दी. ठीक है, हम लोग इसको डिटेल तब कर सकते हैं जब पूरा सिलेबस करने के बाद हमारे पास समय बचेगा, देन हम वापस इस पर लौटेंगे. अभी शॉर्ट में निकलते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट प्ले. कोई क्वेश्चन होगा तो आप बीच में बोलते चलिए, क्योंकि मैं आज इसको पूरा एंड करने के मूड में हूँ, बिकॉज हमें कल स्टार्ट करना है जैकोबियन ड्रामा, वेस्टर्न बेन जॉनसन. सो टेमिंग ऑफ द श्रू.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have some requests, not
Yeah.
questions.
Yeah.
Actually, first of all, I would like to request you, please spell the first which play you were teaching us, and second thing,
Titus Andronicus.
all the characters of the play, and
okay, I will spell.
yes, sir.
So,
you just listen and
okay.
yes,
So
sir.
sorry for that. I am repeating the spellings of Titus Andronicus. Okay, just note down. Titus, Titus.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Andronicus, Andronicus. Titus Andronicus. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now write the spelling of Temora. Tamura.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Spelling of Goths. Goths. Goths.
Yes, sir.
And spelling of Philip Henslow's diary. Philip, Philip. Philip Henslow. Henslowe. Philip Henslow. and the spelling of Lavinia, Lavania.
Yes, sir.
It's okay now?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Next is the taming of the shrew. Taming. Taming. Shrew is Shrew. Shrew. Within few seconds, this session will be end, and you all will join with the same link. Okay. So, taming of the shrew is a comedy related to the character of Catherine or Kate. Okay, and this is anti-feminist play. Feminist play.